I'm recording on a Sunday. I decided to take a break and share something called the Easy Principle, which will help anybody, no matter what area of your life you're looking to improve in. This will help. You need to follow it in the order that it's laid out, EASY, and you need to listen to all of the 4 videos that are going to follow this video to get the most from it. So it's a limited edition of Simplicity Sticks. Call it a box set if you like. Binge it, enjoy it, but share it with people who are also struggling to get to where they want to be. Let's get on to E. We'll keep it simple because simplicity sticks. Right, the E is for education. Education as a word is something that a lot of us adults can't wait to leave behind. Think of school, college, university, if you're really committed to education. We tend to want to get it over and done with and move on to what we're doing it for because it's not the be all and end all for most of us. It shouldn't be that way. Education should be a mainstay of your journey, but you get to do it on your terms as you progress through life. But it shouldn't stop. So find some education about the thing that you're trying to improve in your life. Learn about it, find ways that you're comfortable learning, and take it on board. But take your time. Education will be the foundation for everything that comes next, and it will keep you on track. Simple. Simplicity sticks. On to A. The A is for application. The application of the education that you've picked up and continue to pick up will be a really important part of getting to where you want to be and staying where you want to be. How do you apply it to your life, your resources, your situation, your energy on the day? Get to a skill set where you can adapt and apply each day, no matter what you've got going on around you. We call that mental agility. But application is key for you maintaining what it is that you're trying to achieve. Make it simple because simplicity will stick. Let's move on to S. The S stands for support. So you've educated yourself and you should continue to educate yourself about the thing that you're trying to keep progressing in your life. You're getting better day by day at how to apply it in and amongst everything that's thrown at you in your life. You're not stopping and taking time off from it. You're learning to apply what you can when you can around life. Outstanding performance. Next, you need a support network. Don't be arrogant and think you can do it without. And that might be a website, a podcast, it might be a Facebook group, or a real life person, God forbid. That's your support network, and that can change as well over time. But get the support you need to maintain it. Simple. Simplicity sticks. Your final one, the why. Now, this one, they're all important, but this one, if you don't put this one in place, it's very rarely going to stick. And it's a simple one. You. It's got to be on your terms. The why is for your terms. From the get-go, you need to make sure it's on your terms. When you start getting other people involved and giving you guidance and education and advice, you need to make sure that you leave that conversation with your terms in place. The right coach and support structure won't let you get away with BSing yourself, but your terms means that you're accountable and you can't then say that it's unrealistic because you've agreed it and thought it through before you start. So education, application, support, your terms, easy, simple, simplicity sticks.